Did you know Warren Buffett bought his first stock at just 11 years old and now ranks among the wealthiest people on earth? Secret: starting early and making smart financial decisions. In this video, I will share the key lessons that can help you build wealth and make 2025 your most successful year yet. Let's dive in. Hi, and welcome back. If you want to break free from financial stress, grow your wealth, and avoid common money pitfalls, this video is for you. We will unpack powerful strategies and life changing lessons that you can start applying right now. So grab a notebook because these tips could change your life. So, the first tip is invest in yourself. Here's a fun fact: the average millionaire reads 2 books a month. Why? Because investing in yourself is the highest return investment you will ever make. When you focus on learning and improving your skills, you're setting the foundation for long term success. Think of it like this: every dollar you spend on personal development can come back to you tenfold in opportunities and income. So set aside a portion of your income each month for courses, books, or mentorships that align with your goals. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Secondly, don't save money, deploy it. Here's something to consider: inflation silently eats away at your savings every week. So, saving for the sake of saving is a losing game. Keeping your money in a saving account feels safe, but it's actually losing value over time. Instead, focus on making your money work for you. Start by investing in assets like low cost index funds, ETFs, or even real estate. And if you are just starting out, don't worry. Small, consistent investments add up over time. Think of it as planting seeds today that will grow into a financial forest tomorrow. Now, the third tip: avoid the status trap. Imagine this: you're scrolling Instagram and everyone seems to have a better car, a fancier vacation, or the latest gadgets. But here's the truth: many of them are drowning in debt just to keep up appearances. True wealth isn't about what you spend, it's about what you save and grow. Instead of splurging on liabilities like designer clothes or the newest phone, channel that money into assets that appreciate over time. The goal isn't to look rich, it's to actually be rich. Now, one of the most important tips is to choose jobs to learn, not just earn. Let me tell you a quick story. Elon Musk once worked at a lumber mill and even cleaned out boiler rooms, not for the paycheck, but for the lessons. Early in your career, prioritize jobs that teach you skills over the ones that simply pay more. The knowledge, connections, and experience you gain will multiply your income exponentially in the long run. So, if you're given the choice, always bet on learning. It's the ultimate form of earning. Now, automate your financial success. Now, what you should do when you receive your paychecks: automate your finances to avoid costly mistakes. Set up systems where a portion of your paycheck automatically goes into savings, investments, and bills. This not only reduces decision fatigue but also ensures you're consistently building wealth. Now, obviously, when you send money automatically into savings, investment, and bills, you can create a guilt-free spending account. This way, you can enjoy your money without derailing your financial goals. It's the best of both worlds, right? Now, I will tell you a pro tip which you can implement from today. Before you buy anything, ask yourself this simple question: how many hours of my life is this worth? For example, if you earn $20 an hour and want a $200 gadget, that's 10 hours of your life. This mindset shift can transform your spending habits and help you focus on what truly matters. Think about it. Is it really worth 10 hours of working? Now you will see the difference that what you buy and what you don't. Building the right environment is one of the main features of being rich in the long run. Jim Rohn once said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Your financial habits are heavily influenced by your environment. Surround yourself with ambitious, disciplined individuals who inspire you to grow. Avoid the trap of friends or roommates who encourage poor spending habits. And if you find that circle, join online communities or networking groups focused on personal finance and self development. Remember, These aren't just tips, they are strategies that can reshape your financial future. Success isn't about luck, it's about taking consistent, intentional steps toward your goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable financial advice. Comment below with your biggest takeaway or a financial lesson you swear by.